Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share reports that an owner can view on TenantCloud. In another video, I also showed you how to connect with an owner, which is the first step to be able to share reports with an owner or to communicate with an owner through the TenantCloud platform via TC Messenger, as well as how to send owner distributions and receive owner contributions. If you have already connected with the owner, now you'll be able to share essential and important things such as reports. To get started, we're going to go over to the Contacts tab on the left side menu and select Owners. From here, in the previous video, if you watched it, I connected with Kayla H, and you can see that I am connected via the icon, which is now lit up green in the upper left-hand corner. So we'll select View Profile. From here, you will see on the left side menu when you scroll down, there is a section titled Reports Setting. When you select the Edit button, it is going to show you a set of reports with check marks next to each one. Simply select the ones that you want the owner to be able to view from their account. Once we do that, we can select Update, and all of those reports will be live reports on the owner's account that the owner can go in and view from wherever they have an internet connection. In fact, we'll go ahead and show you the owner account right now. From the owner's dashboard, you can simply go over to the left side menu where it says Reports. And here you'll see all of the reports that we just opted to share with this owner via their TenantCloud account. And that is how easy it is to share reports that an owner can view on TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click Sign Up today.